Composting is a cornerstone of sustainable gardening, transforming kitchen and garden waste into nutrient-rich black gold for your plants. One ingenious and efficient way to achieve this is by creating your own compost tumbler. We'll walk you through the process of making a DIY compost tumbler, turning your kitchen scraps and yard waste into a valuable resource for your garden. Materials needed: plastic drum or barrel. Select a sturdy, food-grade plastic drum or barrel with a secure lid. Aim for a capacity between 30 to 55 gallons to ensure sufficient space for composting. Metal rod or PVC pipe. Obtain a metal rod or PVC pipe that is long enough to span the width of the drum. This will serve as the central axis for your compost tumbler. Drill with drill bits. A drill is essential for creating ventilation holes in the drum. Use drill bits of various sizes to allow for proper aeration of the compost. Bungee cords or latches. Secure the drum's lid with bungee cords or latches to keep it closed during the tumbling process while allowing easy access for adding materials. Wood or metal frame, optional. Construct a sturdy frame to elevate the drum off the ground, facilitating the tumbling motion. This can be made from wood or metal, depending on your preference and materials available. Screen or mesh, optional. To speed up the composting process, consider adding a screen or mesh on the interior side of the drum's ventilation holes. This prevents larger materials from falling out while promoting airflow. Step 1. Prepare the drum. Clean the plastic drum thoroughly to remove any residual chemicals or contaminants. Drill multiple holes around the drum's surface to allow for proper aeration. Ensure the holes are evenly distributed for consistent composting. Step 2. Install the central axis. Drill a hole through the center of the drum's lid. Thread the metal rod or PVC pipe through the hole, ensuring it spans the width of the drum. This will serve as the central axis for tumbling. Step 3. Construct the frame, optional. If you've chosen to elevate your compost tumbler, construct a sturdy frame using wood or metal. Secure the drum onto the frame, allowing it to rotate freely. Step 4. Attach lid fasteners. Securely attach bungee cords or latches to keep the lid closed during tumbling. Ensure they are tight enough to prevent spills, but allow for easy opening when adding materials. Step 5. Optional screen or mesh, optional. If desired, attach a screen or mesh on the inside of the ventilation holes. This helps retain smaller compost particles while facilitating better airflow. How to use your compost tumbler? Collect materials. Gather kitchen scraps, yard waste, and other compostable materials. Balance green nitrogen-rich materials. E. G. Fruit peels, vegetable scraps, with brown carbon-rich materials. E. G. Dry leaves, shredded newspaper. Add materials to the tumbler. Open the lid and add the collected materials to the drum. Aim for a good balance of green and brown materials to promote efficient composting. Tumble regularly. Rotate the drum regularly to mix the contents thoroughly. Tumbling ensures even decomposition and prevents the formation of anaerobic zones. Monitor moisture levels. Check the moisture levels inside the tumbler. If the compost feels too dry, add water. Conversely, if it's too wet, incorporate more dry materials. Harvest the compost. Once the compost reaches a dark, crumbly consistency and has a rich, earthy smell, it's ready for harvest. Open the lid, and your nutrient-rich compost is ready to be used in your garden. Creating a DIY compost tumbler is a rewarding and sustainable gardening project that empowers you to turn kitchen and garden waste into valuable compost. By following these step-by-step instructions and incorporating your compost tumbler into your gardening routine, You'll not only reduce your environmental footprint, but also enhance the health and fertility of your garden soil. Happy composting!